Magandang umaga! Welcome to Easy Tagalog Lessons, your source of easy, useful, and practical Tagalog. In this video, we'll be continuing our lecture from our previous video about counting in Tagalog. If you haven't checked that out, I highly recommend watching it first. Anyway, let us begin. So in this video, we'll be focusing mainly on using the numbers in different situations. But study the following. Isang simbahan, dalawang kubo, tatlong bata, apat na itlog, limang lobo, anim na bulaklak, pitong payong, walong kotse, siyam na pusa, sampung manok. As you can see, the numbers are linked to the objects by linkers. In this situation, there are two linkers, word plus ng and word plus na. Can you tell how linkers are added to the words? Ng is added to a word that ends in vowel sounds. Na is linked when the word before the object ends in consonants. Ng and na modify the objects. Try this. 20 blank between, 19 blank buto. Great job! Let's do some application. You and your friends went to a fast food chain in the Philippines and you want to purchase burgers. You could say in this scenario, dalawang burger po. Next, commonly in the Philippines, we have halo-halo vendors which are very popular within the community. If you want to try the halo-halo they are selling, say this. Tatlong halo-halo po. Let's say you went to a sari-sari store and you are looking for a shampoo. You could say to the tindera, isang shampoo po. That's all mga kaibigan. Stay tuned for more Tagalog lessons. Feel free to visit our website as well on the screen. Kita-kits at ingat!